The word bitching is not right. Lux cozy over here. Listen, it's not bitching about students. It's like, discussing about. We do discussing about them. What rascals they are. What a horrible class. Where we are going. Hope next year I don't get this class. I don't want to teach them. Oh my God, they don't listen to me. Yeah, but then they also start caring for you. I'll tell you
Of
one
course.
thing, really. But students don't care how much you know. They don't care. They've got their computers. They've got Google Mata. Okay, Google.
But we
They
didn't
can.
have that time.
They don't care how much you know. Yeah. Okay. Until they know how much you care. If they come to know that this teacher cares for me, then automatically they develop that bond.
Of course.
I have experienced the same thing with all my teachers, till today in the staff room. If I have any problem and my senior teachers are there, I go to them, I approach them, I talk to them because I know that they are going to guide me. No, Sati Miss is there. I joined school, Rujuta ma'am is still there. When I had joined school, they were there. Sati Miss was my physics teacher. She's still there.
Wow.
Shukla sir was my Hindi teacher. Yeah, they're still there. So you feel connected to them. You still feel connected. One of the biggest rascal and brat we had was Arnav. Arnav has moved to Canada now. And now he has in Canada graduated in football over there. Just imagine. Here in academics, we would be chasing him, running him. From one side, I would enter the class. The other side, he would come out of the class. And I would be going down to tell him that sit inside the class. Okay, but then he did attend, but then they are so adorable. They write to you, they talk to you after leaving school also.
Now you were talking about this Arnav kid, ma'am. So what is the naughtiest and the goofiest thing that you've experienced as a teacher? Matlab the students that have done.
Not one particular.
But the one particular thing that you can remember that is very funny and.
No, that was that Chinmay episode. My God, the holiday was ruined. In Pune, we were roaming in that park, that Mela.
Chowkidani.
Chowkidani, I still remember. And we were having dinner somewhere else, and Chinmay was having dinner next to Samya ma'am and Gitika ma'am. I still remember that.
He was next to us. So I said, what company? क्या दिन आ गए हमारे गितिका? देख, चीनू तो हमारे साथ ही रह भाई, कहीं मत जा. No, it's not like that. It has happened on so many picnics, so many these adventures.
I'm not special anymore.
Yeah, for 2 days overnight trips that we have for class 10th, it is dhamal. And all of them are waiting. Miss, we are all set. And then, we have jasoos in between. We have spies among them. One year was so terrible. It was 3 o'clock in the night and we came to know these boys on the overnight trip. They had moved out of their room and they were running all over the places in the resort. Jessica ma'am, myself, Gitika, Jayashree ma'am, all of us, we were banging the door, open the door, open the door. We went in. One boy opened the door. We are pulling his bedsheet. Get up, get up. What the hell are you doing, rascals, in the night, creating a ruckus? And that boy was like, I am not from your school. They were outsiders. Those boys were not from our school. And we are pulling their bedsheet. Entire night we don't sleep on the trips, We don't. Entire night we are parading left, right, left, right. Girls, sometimes back these girls also, they were trying to do something and poor girls, they did not know that there were all sensors in the room. There were smoke sensors in the room. They were trying their stunts.
Amateurs.
But it's fun, you remember these school days. I have never forgotten my school. I still remember my school days. There was one booth bungalow in front of Manikji Cooper. One old bungalow was there. So after school at 3:30, we used to go over there. All of us, 10 to 15 of us, used to go and sit over there, waiting for one old man to come with a lantern. He never came at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So if there was one subject you could add to better prepare students for real life situation issues, what would that be, ma'am?
You're talking about the subject or just the topic? Entire subject that you want me to add? They are not fed up.
Anything, subject or topic, be it
Why
They're
anything,
so
be it
fed up
anything.
with our studies, you know. They tell me outrightly on my face, we hate your subject. Sorry, Sabia miss, we love you very much, but we hate your subject. We don't like to study history.
Because it's history, ma'am. Because it's history. Who likes history, ma'am?
We have to study from our past, Laksh.
Is.
We have
What,
to
ma'am?
study
What?
from our
But
and we
tell me,
continue
ma'am.
making the same mistake, Laksh. We continue making the same mistakes even after studying the past.
What topic would you like to add
I
that
would
would
want
help
them.
them in real life?
I would want them to write something and express yourself, but write. You know, no talk, because what has happened is that our students have got very used to the computer, to the laptop, to the mobile. They don't want to write anything. It's see, these are the times when we can encourage them to write. Afterwards, once they go to college, they have their assignments, they have their submissions. That's all on laptop. Go make a
Yes.
PPT. They're all doing that only. I know times are different now. Everybody has to learn the computer, the laptop, and give your presentations on that. We are also doing that, but they have to learn to write. Inculcate the art of writing. That's
Yes.
it. You know, till today, like we write something. If I had this interview also with you, frankly speaking, this is going on air, nothing to be ashamed of that. I have written down the points that, okay, let me see if I can discuss this, if I remember this, especially the keywords. History, I teach keywords na. Bas, वैसे ही. I write the keywords and I, like, you know, remember. With writing, you remember better.
Yes. Yeah.
Given that you and Getika Miss are besties and you're from different houses, like does it ever happen like you have some friendly banter between the two of you?
So many times. With difference of opinion. And imagine just sitting next to each other. So it's like, you know, yes, that WWF, that was, now it is WWE. Okay. We both are
Oh.
fighting for WWE belts. Those belts that they get from those wrestlers. So we are also fighting for those belts. We don't get along on certain things, but we discuss it out. We always discuss it. And she remains loyal to her point, and I stick to my point. We don't agree.
So you agree to disagree.
but that's what friends are for, man.
Yeah,
Discussions.
because you know, the kind of friendship that I have is like, she's a friend of mine with the same mental disorder. So how what is mental disorder? So we both are at
Sure.
par. That is why
Of course,
we
of course.
So, what would be that one advice you would give to your younger self?
to my
Younger self.
Yourself.
Ma'am is
Like a
still
20
young.
year old Sabia.
yeah, I understood myself. My
Uh,
one advice to myself:
yeah.
keep learning. Keep learning. Don't
Keep
change.
learning.
Be the way you are. Be honest to yourself. If you're honest to yourself,
That is, ma'am. That is why are you the new ambassador of Manikji Cooper's motto?
no, no. I am not the new ambassador. You know what I believe, Laksh? I
Yes, ma'am.
believe entire future is in my classroom. My kids are my future. Okay, when they grow up and they come to me and they tell me that, Sabia miss, we are doing this, we've excelled in this. I don't ask them their percentage, that what did you score in your class 10th. I don't remember that also, of course. Okay, but then, you know, I feel happy, I feel proud that I have been that small part of their educational
Journey.
system, a very small part.
So now that we've asked you a lot of serious questions, it's time for a quick and fun rapid fire round. So are you ready? Why are you so sad?
No, I'm set.
Come on, be happy. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question to you: what is your favorite canteen food item?
Canteen food item, samosa.
That's for everyone.
Yes.
Next question, ma'am. Who was your room buddy during school trips?
Geetika.
You also said. If there was a samosa eating competition, how many samosas do you think you could eat?
No, I would eat everything from the outside, because inside aloo I don't eat. I would give all the aloo.
We've heard. The next
Yes.
question. The next question will. The next question will.
Yes.
So my next question is, why do you dip your samosa in Kritika ma'am's coffee?
She told you my secret. Wait, I'm going to tell you. How dare she
That's going
give
air
me
today.
coffee now?
That's going air
Not-
today.
I will dip my finger also in that now.
So next question is your favorite historical monument.
Taj Mahal. Though sad, but yes. A sad reality.
Why sad,
What?
man?
Because
My
what is the
God.
use of making, what is the
It's a
use of
grave, by the way, Oza.
Oza off topic?
That's why you need history.
No, but why sad? That was my
Sad
point.
because you made a memorial for your wife when she is damn it dead.
And
When
it's a
she was-
grave. It's a grave. It's not even a.
Cut this, okay? Shut up and don't disturb Chinu.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay, coming back now. What is something that you can can't live without?
Mobile now. Now mobile.
Pickle millennial. If you could be in any movie from the present, past, or future, which movie would it be?
Hera Pheri.
Good choice.
Babu Rao is here.
If you don't mind me asking, which character do you think you would want to play?
Babu Rao.
Babu.
Babu.
Man, can you do your favorite Babu Rao dialogue for us? Go ahead.
Once.
वन को कैसा डाकू बनेगा रे तू
Okay.
कैसा गुंडा बनेगा रे तू रिमेम्बर दैट किडनी में हार्ट अटैक आ गया दैट वन
So, next question. If we write a book on your life experiences, what do you think would it be called? Hera Pheri.
या फिर हेरा फेरी फिर हेरा फेरी good idea.
So, if given a choice to embody any teacher in the school from present or past, who would it be?
Mrs. Dadarkar.
It's your 9th standard class teacher.
Yes, definitely. I mean, she would explain the historical facts such beautifully, or in such in a continuous manner, like a story. That's what history is. His story, that you would definitely be able to relate it, remember it, and to be able to give it in the exam also. Because always remember, if you pay attention in class, 75% of your studies is done.
Something that you've learned during the lockdown.
Long term in school with the kids is to be patient.
मैम का स्पीकर पे दे.
अरे सुनो, ये सब ना तुम लोग ने ना मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट में दिया नहीं था. सब कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हो?
ये रैपिड फायर है इसके लिए तो मैम, और फन. मैम हेरा फेरी निकला, कितना मजा आ रहा है.
वही तो.
मजा. मेरे को लगा मैम आप वो बोलोगे दारू नहीं दवाई है रे.
मैम ये स्टूडेंट्स के सामने यूट्यूब पे ये डायलॉग मैम बोलेगी.
हाँ, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. चलो.
Thing that comes to your mind when we mention these teachers now. Okay, are you ready? Jessica Miss.
Jessica Miss, not my sister, but by blood, but by heart.
Gitika Miss.
A true friend.
Tulika ma'am.
Companion. Friend.
Poonam ma'am.
Maths head. Maths.
Versus ma'am.
A co-teacher. A co-teacher.
Good one, ma'am. I think you did pretty good. Since then you don't have any competition, so I think we can be safe to say that you can win the hamper.
Cut the edit, okay? Edit all those pauses.
Of course.
This brings us to the end of a very fun-filled rapid-fire round. And thank you for answering this candidly.
Definitely my pleasure. It was definitely my pleasure. Very happy to be here.
There's still one segment left, ma'am. There's still one small bit of a segment left. Okay. Associate these tags to the teachers in the staff room. Okay. We'll give one name and you'll have to give the teacher's name after that. So
Yeah, but then.
who's
Hmm.
okay?
Mhm.
Should I say? Who's a foodie according to you?
Me. Love eating.
Surprising,
Love
Kritika
eating.
said the same thing. No, but she didn't say you. She said herself as the foodie.
That's it.
Who do you think is a storyteller?
We are all storytellers here. I am the biggest storyteller. I tell a lot of stories of history. I
Okay,
don't
the
want
staff
to take
room.
names and fall into trouble.
Ma'am, you're not going to fall in trouble for this.
No.
Who listens to the best music, ma'am?
ये लक्ष्य कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है यार?
Okay. Who's the wittiest?
Witty Gitika. Very witty.
So, who's the funniest?
Funniest भी Gitika है.
Okay. Fashionista. Yes, sir. That comes to a wrap of this segment. And you've answered all the questions within only 2 teachers. That
No, my Pooja miss is also there in my
Yeah.
list.
Oh, Pooja.
Pooja is
Yeah,
there.
Pooja.
Pooja is there. All are my friends. All are my friends.
So, ma'am, before we end the episode, is there something that you would like to tell us or the students who are watching this episode?
I want to definitely say one thing, and that is, never feel at any moment in your life that you have failed. This is sounding really philosophical, but no, failure and success is not for you to judge. Your work is to your duty is to do your work and let others decide for it. Never feel that, oh, I'm not successful in life, oh, I can never do that, and I want to give up on something. No, don't do that. Go ahead. As Laksh said, that why only a teacher? You could have been someone else also. There are so many avenues and opportunities open today. I mean, today there is so much of technological advancement, and besides that, educational change that is happening in our country, that you can never feel that, okay, if I'm not successful at this, I'm a failure in life. Don't judge yourself as a failure. Okay, always keep working hard.
So, ma'am, thank you for the really meaningful last few sentences. And this brings us to the end of this episode. And it was a really fun-filled episode. And I don't think there was a point where we were ever not laughing.
Of course.
And it's really, I mean, see this kind of meeting that we are having now.
Yes,
Shashwat
ma'am.
is not here, Chinu is not here. They are, I think, in California, yeah. And we are here. Look, the discussion that we are having, so nice. It's nice to talk with your students again.
Thank you so
And
much.
intelligent students.
That
Intelligent students. Laksh, you are included. Intelligent students.
Thank you, ma'am. First time I'm included in this gang.
I always give you marks. What are you talking in EE?
Of course. EE mein.
Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please do let us know in the comments below who you would want us to speak to next. And stay tuned for exciting content. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Yo.